Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Redmi 15, and now I'm gonna show you how to turn on Game Turbo mode on Redmi 15. Basically it's very easy to do. You should open Security app, find here Game Turbo, click on Game Turbo mode, and here you will see your Game Turbo application. You will have all your games here on the left panel. If you don't have some games here, you can click plus button and add the game to your Game Turbo mode, and as you can see here you will see all your available games in Game Turbo, and just click start playing, and now you can play games using Game Turbo. Thanks for watching, hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you, bye.